Hey everybody, Baron and Bren Bruno with Professionals FIJI Real Estate, and we have a beautiful home for rent today. This is in the Links Precinct, private gated community on Denarau Island, the crown jewel of the crown jewel here in Fiji. And let's take a look at this very modern, newly built home. This has double car enclosed garage, lots of built-in storage. Very important. Nice custom doors here. You're going to see tiled throughout. Beautiful custom ceiling fans, air conditioners. You've got these double pocket sliders that totally open up. Look at that walk-in pantry. Check this sparkling. You see that sparkling? Look at that. It's beautiful. Beautiful, huge island. All this is custom. The backsplash, double deep sink, dishwasher, range, stove. Got that Polo stove down there. Look at that red kettle and toaster. Pretty nice, huh? Recessed lighting throughout. Really nice custom paint you see. Let's take a look. Look at this nice yard. Wow. Could you see yourself just chilling out right there, laying on one of those chairs, drink in hand, talking about the beautiful day you had here in Fiji, all those islands you discovered, and how you just love this place and you want to bring your friends over here to visit. You got lots of space for them. Here's bedroom number 1. And you can see all the roller shades that come down, as well as those cyclone shutters. And they have those privacy screens behind too, to keep the bugs out and all that, so you can get that nice ocean breeze all day long. That's bedroom number 1. Here's the laundry room with utility sink and storage and direct access to the side yard. Here is bathroom number 2 with the toilet sink and then the full shower stall and another sink over there. Bedroom number 2. Again, they all have these beautiful storage wardrobes. And when we go into one of the other bedrooms, I'll actually open that up, let you take a peek at that. Another room view here, the big open concept, which is really fun for entertaining. And I'm sure you're going to want to do a lot of that when you come here to Fiji. Here is bathroom stall number 3. And you can see the nice wand there. Great deep imported sinks. There's your air conditioner. And this is the built-ins that I told you about. You can see here. There you go. So you can put all your belongings there. All those drawers come out. Lots of shelves, lots of storage. Okay, bedroom number 3. Let's go walk with me and have a look at the master bedroom. Beautiful, great size. Look at this. Really nice size. And again, consistency with the nice imported deep sink there. Notice the big rain shower. Check that bad boy out. How about that? That's going to feel good after a long day in the sun. And again, those ideal standard imported fixtures. Great curtains here. So you have both the blackout and then the sheer curtains too. So you've got a little taste of both depending on how much light you want to diffuse in. And this is your beautiful pool with some decking and chairs for you to chill out. So this is available for 4,000 Fijian dollars per month. That is like less than 2,000 US dollars. Full furnished, 4-bedroom, 4-bath house on Denarau Island, about 20 minutes from the international airport. And this, they call this precinct the Links because you are right next to the golf course, which is just behind us here. In fact, let's go take a look together and you can see. So bring your golf clubs and your tennis racket because Denarau Golf and Racquet Club is just nearby. You can see this is where your golf carts will be going in and out. You can also see a taste of the waterway over there. And that is another precinct called Sovereign Keys. You're right on the golf course. And of course you have a grocery store, very, very close by, 24-hour medical center. You have the Port Denarau Marina, all the boat charters, sunset cruises, fishing boats, and about 8 resort hotels all right here. That's what makes Denarau so special and so well looked after and appreciated by people coming to Fiji who want the best of the best. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Find out more about this and all of our listings at professionalsfiji.com and follow us at FIJI Real Estate on Instagram. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Taka.